Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to unhide a post on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Have you ever hidden a post on Facebook and then wanted to unhide it later? Maybe you changed your mind about sharing it, or maybe you accidentally hid it. Whatever the reason, unhiding a post on Facebook is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to unhide a post on Facebook, whether you're using a computer or mobile device. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile and tap on the three horizontal lines in the right side. Then, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings. Again, scroll down and tap on Activity Log. After that, tap on the Your Activity across Facebook. Then, tap on Posts and again click on Posts Hidden from Profile. You can also use Search to find. For that, just tap on Search icon and type Hidden, and tap on Posts Hidden from Profile. Now, find the post you want to unhide and tap on the three dots next to it. Then, tap on Add to Profile. Once you have unhidden a post, it will be visible to your friends and followers again. If you are using computer and want to unhide a Facebook post from your desktop, then first, go to your Facebook profile page. Then, click on three-dot menu. From various option, click on Activity Log. After that, tap on the Your Activity across Facebook. Then, tap on Posts and again click on Posts Hidden from Profile. You can also use Search feature to find. For that, just tap on Search box and type Hidden, and tap on Posts Hidden from Profile. Now, find the post you want to unhide and tap on the three dots menu. Then, tap on Add to Profile. Remember that Facebook currently only allows some users to unhide hidden posts from desktop. If this feature is not available to you, follow the mobile steps to unhide your post instead of using a desktop browser. This is exactly how you can unhide a Facebook post and add it back to your profile. If you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial and tips videos like this.